If you're considering buying Melio, there are a few things you absolutely need to know before making a decision. You might have heard about its simplicity in managing business payments, but what makes it stand out and what could you be missing? Stick around until the end to understand the real value of this software, especially if you're comparing it to other tools like QuickBooks and PayPal. First off, Melio is a payment platform designed primarily for small businesses to make bill payments, send invoices, and manage cash flow with ease. What's unique about it is that it allows you to pay vendors by credit card or bank transfer, even if they don't accept card payments. This flexibility is one of the key reasons it's gaining popularity among small business owners who want to maximize their cash flow. Unlike some competitors like QuickBooks or Xero, which are more comprehensive accounting software, Melio stays focused on just payments, making it a streamlined option for businesses that don't need all the extra accounting features. Next thing, if you're new to Melio, it's worth noting that it comes with a very user-friendly interface. You don't need to be an accountant to use it, which is something you can't always say for other platforms that target businesses like Intuit's QuickBooks. The onboarding process is straightforward, and the dashboard is simple to navigate, making it easy to set up recurring payments, manage invoices, and track your payment history. This means you'll spend less time in the software and more time running your business. The third thing you need to know is that Melio offers a lot of flexibility when it comes to payment methods. It's one of the few platforms where you can pay bills via bank transfer or credit card, even if your vendor doesn't accept cards. This could be a huge advantage over PayPal, which often requires both parties to have a PayPal account. With Melio, you don't have to worry about that. Just enter your vendor's information and pay however you like. Plus, you get to earn credit card rewards, which could be a nice bonus if you're using a business card. The fourth thing to note is that Melio integrates seamlessly with QuickBooks, Xero, and other accounting software. This is a huge selling point if you're already using accounting software and need to sync your payments for proper bookkeeping. While PayPal can integrate with certain accounting tools, its transaction fees can add up quickly, especially when dealing with large payments. With Melio, you get better rates on payments and the integration you need to keep everything in one place. Fifth, another area where Melio outshines the competition is in the speed of payments. While platforms like QuickBooks can take a while to process payments, Melio offers faster processing times, especially for ACH payments, which can be crucial for businesses that need to keep the cash flowing. With Melio's rapid payment system, you're not left waiting for days to pay your vendors, and that gives you more control over your business finances. Next thing you should know is about Melio's free plan. Yes, you can try the software for free with no hidden fees. Most competitors, like QuickBooks or PayPal, often require monthly subscriptions, with some even charging additional fees for processing payments. Melio doesn't have these extra charges, making it a cost-effective solution for small businesses looking to cut down on overhead costs. That's something you don't see often in the payment software world. And finally, if you want to try out Melio for yourself, the best part is you can get access to the software for completely free. You can sign up using the first link in the description to grab a free trial and even receive some exclusive benefits. Unlike other software providers that charge upfront, Melio lets you experience its features without any commitment, and that could be a game changer for your business. So there you have it, Melio's strengths, how it compares to competitors, and why it could be the right fit for your business. If you want to give it a try and see how it works for you, click the first link in the description to start your free trial and get some exclusive perks.